G'day guys and girls. Here we've got a GU Patrol with the mighty Barra in it. This one's had a fair bit of work done to it over time. It's had a couple of different combinations or setups trying to chase the end goal. George, the owner of the car, his goal has always been 500 kilowatts. That's what he's wanted. Been a few speed ups on the way to get there, but this time around he dropped it off and he's like, mate, I don't want it back until it hits 500 kilowatts. So we've installed previously a water meth system on it. We've now just gone to a full direct port. Just put a GFB external wastegate on it, done a few exhaust modifications, and a lot of fine tuning, just dialing in the water meth. We're using the water meth in conjunction with PCM Tech, so it's a custom operating system that we've got, that's sort of our own thing that we do. So it's 98 octane fuel, and pretty much when you flick over onto water meth, then it's got a separate tune again for that, with full fail safe. So should anything go wrong, system fails, bursts the line, clogs up, whatever, for whatever reason it goes into fault, it will just revert back to its 98 tune. In 98 octane, it makes 367 kilowatts at the hubs, and then it's around the 500 kilowatt now with the water meth on it. So it's a bit of a handful. Still runs the factory style Nissan gearbox, which is holding up pretty well. Engine is built, it's got the usual bolt-ons, just fuel pump injectors and so on. But yeah, I'll do a power run and you can check it out. It's a bit of a wild bit of gear, so cool. Let's do a run. So you can see 366.9, so 370 on 98, non-assisted by water meth, and then 582 on with 98 and water meth. Obviously there is a boost difference. As you can see, we're running like just over 16 pound on 98, and then just under 24 pound on water meth. But that's the beauty of water meth. We'll let you add the boost, and also let you add quite a fair bit of ignition timing when set up right. Water meth is a good system when tuned right. You do need to tune for it. By simply just putting it on your car will not necessarily give you more power. In most cases you will see a decrease in power, but when you harness the power of it by tuning for it, then this is where you get the gains. I'll give you a bit of a walk around on the system. So probably not the easiest car to see it on, but that's pretty much a direct port system in the manifold, and then down in this front pipe coming out of the intercooler, we've also got another jet in there as well. It is all a bit messy at the moment. We are obviously in the dyno stages, so we will clean things up. But yeah, really good setup. Orlando from Cool Runnings, he's helped us out with the Aquamist system. It is probably one of the best systems on the market as far as we're concerned, and the results always do speak for themselves. We've never had a bad system, and they've always worked as planned. So yeah, so that's George's GU Patrol, Barra powered. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and check out all our social media platforms on a daily level. Thank you.